my name is Lionel, and I'm a co-founder and associate at Arcanite Solutions here in Switzerland.
So what do you do at Arcanite?
We're doing custom IT services that we make in Switzerland. We're providing large-scale solutions where basically we do web developments for specific needs, and we are also able to do either hosting and data and AI solutions with the clients.
Here I see you are in Pruntrut, that's your headquarters?
Yeah, our headquarters are in Pruntrut. We are 45 people. The company is 8 years old now, and we started, we were 6, so quite a good growth actually.
And it sounds like a lot of things you're doing.
Yeah, we're doing quite a lot because the goal is really to be able to accompany the client from A to Z. Basically that they come with a need and we provide the solution technically, and we're able also to host it and keep working with the client on the long term and provide all of the solutions.
So what do we see here behind what is all these things?
Behind us we have our different domains. So we see that we are working on the hosting, but also on the web developments of custom solutions and data. But also that we're doing consultancy for the companies, especially in the data sector, because most of the time our clients came with a need and an idea of what AI could bring. But sometimes actually the data level and data quality is not enough, and it's good that we can come with them and try to find really the problem and how to solve it before trying to really operate the technical solutions.
So you sit down with the customer, you think what's the plan?
Yeah, exactly. And then our technical teams with experts in the different domains, such as web development and AI and data specialists, provide the solution that we can host ourselves or not, on-premise or in a private cloud that we developed ourselves, for which we have 2,500 VMs at the moment.
So that's a lot of, that's a big data center?
That's quite a big data center. We are actually hosting data in 5 different data centers in Switzerland, in 13 different racks for our clients, also to have the replication of data at different points in Switzerland to avoid any problems and be ISO compliant.
Extremely high speed between the different data centers?
Sorry?
Very high speed?
Very high speed between the different data centers, no problem. We have internet connections and cross data center management systems.
And I see something called ABBA-Host.
Yeah, sure. We also have our own products now. ABBA-Host is the main one. We're providing a hosting solution for the ERP Abacus in Switzerland. It's a very famous one. And we have more than 350 clients that are using our solution. So Abacus is sold by integrators, but most of the time the integrators are not experts of the IT domain, so we provide backed up and a good SLA solution for the hosting of the Abacus software.
And is there other products here you're showing?
These are all the different products that we have. So LexIQ is a solution for advanced search engine for legal documents that we do in the public sector with the Canton of Valais especially. EvalPro is tracking of the evaluation of the apprentices that we do in the forestry domain with all Switzerland. Polyticket is a ticketing solution, a ticketing platform for all the different events with a high level of customization. And we have our own identity account management, because actually we weren't very proud of what we could find on the market, so we developed our own, and actually we know some other people have the same needs than we have. And
you have some presentation about different things you're doing?
Yeah, so we're presenting the different activities here at ICTF since yesterday. So the different domains are presented on our booth. We'll also be in Forum EPFL in 2 weeks, where we'll also be presenting our activities and trying to recruit in different domains.
Who do you need to recruit?
At the moment, we basically have technical needs, especially on the infrastructure domain that we have. But we are also trying to develop the sale of our products, so we are trying to develop our sales team. So if you're interested by any of those two, feel free to come and join at Forum EPFL in Lausanne.
Everybody speaks French in the company?
Everybody speaks French in the company, but everybody is also speaking English.
Is there like international customers?
We have international customers, especially we are working with groups that have either headquarters or offices in Switzerland, but that can work abroad. We also have clients in the German part of Switzerland with whom we speak in English.
customers?
Those are customers of ours, yeah.
So you do some big projects sometimes?
We do some big projects, small projects. We have been working with startups and with large groups. We work with the financial domain, medical domain, legal domain. We don't really have a field of work that we prefer. We just try to solve complex problems and bring the best solutions to our clients.
So you like to work on hard problems?
Yeah, basically we like when the problem is complicated and that our experts can bring their knowledge and their experience of the different years they have been working in the past to solve what the client needs the most.
How complicated is the limit? How complicated can it get?
We have a few people with a PhD in different domains, especially in machine learning. But sometimes, you don't need to have been doing an academic career of 20 years to be able to solve complex problems. Sometimes understanding complicated workflows in specific domains can be quite challenging. And we love to discover new domains, new problematics, and find the best solution that helps the clients the most.
This is a ticketing system?
This is a ticketing system for events.
Paleo Festival or what?
Yeah, Paleo Festival,
really?
For instance.
They use it?
No. They are not using this one.
Okay.
It's a solution that we're starting to develop. We are in beta now, but we have been following events, especially around Lausanne, for a few years now. And it can help you sell tickets with a very customizable set of rules for various events.
I think it would be great if there's always a system where if you cannot make it, you can put it back on sale, your ticket. So people don't have to use Anibis and all this. Because so many times I send the money to somebody on Facebook and then there's nothing.
Yeah, that's a problem. It would be easier indeed if it's embedded directly in the ticketing solution. Not in this ticketing solution, but a long time back when I was young and studying, we developed actually these kind of things for an event in Lausanne.
Ticket swap?
Yeah, ticket swap. So basically we were selling the tickets and people could swap directly on the platform where they would have bought the ticket in the first place, so that you had the guarantee that you would actually...
You buy a real ticket.
You buy the real ticket.
And also the price doesn't have to be ridiculous, it's just the same price.
The price had to be the same because it was known from us what the first client had paid.
Because the worst thing is when a concert has 10% of people who don't show up, and so many people really want to come in.
Yeah,
but
so Taylor Swift tickets are sold like 20 times the initial price afterwards on the black market because some people actually bought the maximum tickets they could have, knowing they wouldn't use them, to just sell them further with a higher price. We don't want that in the poly ticket. So
here at the Swiss IT Forum, you have discussions with people?
With people, we are discussing with prospects, but also with other companies with whom we could be able to do partnerships. Since the main goal for Arcanite is to bring the best solution to the clients, sometimes we don't have all the solutions by ourselves, so we like to do partnerships with other companies, and we are always open to do this kind of mixed work with other companies.